Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Microsoft Teams app is failing to log in and throwing error code 0xCAA82EE2, Microsoft's official documentation states this is a specific timeout error caused by a firewall block or a DNS resolution failure. I will show you exactly how to bypass these network restrictions right now. Let's get started. First, this error often triggers because your local internet provider cannot translate the web address for Microsoft's authentication servers. Press your Windows key, type View Network Connections, and open the control panel. Right-click on your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and select Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, select Use the following DNS server addresses, and type 8.8.8.8 in the preferred box and 8.8.4.4 in the alternate box. Click OK to apply these reliable servers. Next, we need to ensure Windows security isn't actively blocking the login request. Click your Windows search bar, type Windows Defender Firewall, and open the menu. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall on the left side panel. Click the Change Settings button at the top. Scroll down the list until you find Microsoft Teams and ensure both the private and public checkboxes are completely checked. Click OK to let the connection pass through safely. Finally, a background proxy server can intercept your login data and cause the connection to drastically slow down and time out. Click your Windows search bar, type Internet Options, and open the app. Go to the Connections tab at the top and click the LAN Settings button near the bottom. Make absolutely sure the box for Use a proxy server for your LAN is completely unchecked and verify that only Automatically Detect Settings is selected. Click OK and restart your computer to successfully log into Teams. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.